Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Tuesday, pressured by shares in healthcare, equipment and services, capital goods and material sectors. On the economic docket, housing starts decreasing to 1.078 million units in December from 1.214 million in November, while building permits remaining relatively unchanged. This as the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index increasing to 131.4 in February, while decliners ahead of advancers. 62% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday, now after the markets closed. Mylan reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.30 versus $1.43 a year ago on revenue of $3.08 billion. Coca-Cola saying it swung to a fourth quarter LPS of $2.88 from an EPS of $8.35 on net sales of $1.14 billion while turning overseas. Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.5%. The Hang Seng down 0.05%. China CSI 300 down 0.17%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.37%. European markets trading lower and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Lowe's, TJX companies, HP and Monster Beverage all due out to release their figures, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning, we have the December advanced goods trade balance and wholesale inventories read. 10 o'clock, we have pending home sales for January and December factory orders and durable goods orders as well. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the downside prevail. The Nasdaq sees the downside prevail as well, while the Dow Jones, that's under pressure and in focus. The relative strength index advocating for further decline. Short positions below 26,080 are favored, with targets at 25,900 and 25,800 in extension.